Welcome to 3D Amazon FBA. Today I want to talk to you guys about my $10,000 stock portfolio. I've been working on this pretty much from the start of the year, and I've had some good and some bad going on. There's a lot of bad in the stock market this time of year, and I do believe that now is a very good time to get into the stock market because there's a lot of things on discount, and I think it's a very good time to start building your wealth. So before I get into it, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's go over to Robinhood. I'm using Robinhood. They're really easy to use. They don't charge a fee. But, I'm going to leave a link down in the description. If you sign up using my link and you're not already on Robinhood, we both get a share of stock. It's completely random. You get anywhere from $5 to $200 worth of stock from Robinhood. So if you're interested in starting to invest into your future, make sure you use that link below, and we can both get a free stock from Robinhood. All right, so real quick overview of my stocks is I've decided to be a dividend investor, and the reason for this is I'm wanting to stop working in about 9 to 10 years whenever my kids are out of the house. My wife's going through nursing school, and I'm putting her through nursing school right now with my Amazon business. So when she wants to be a traveling nurse, so we figure we'll just travel to wherever she wants to go work. And and my income will be the dividend stocks. It would be my help into funding our lifestyle. So I'm really deep into dividend stocks. So here's a real quick overview of Robinhood, because this is where I make all my purchases. And then I use another website that actually gives me a lot of information. So you can see here, this is today. I'm up $76.22 today. I made a purchase today. I make stock purchases every Monday. And today my contribution put me over the $10,000 mark, which I'm very happy about. I've been putting almost half, maybe half, 2/3 of my tax return went to the stock market. I am selling my Funko Pop collection. The proceeds I get from eBay are going to the stock market. I put in $100 or more every Monday, whatever I can afford. Most of my living expenses are paid for through my Amazon business, like my phone, internet, water, gas, all that's paid for through my Amazon business. So the only bill I actually have out of my checking account is, food, my mortgage, and, gas for my car. Everything else, car insurance, obviously, and everything else is paid for through my business. So I do have the ability to put more money into the stock market if I'm able to, or, if I don't have anything really going on. So you can see here on Robinhood, it has all the breakdown of my stocks. And I'm going to give you a further breakdown using the other application. But you can look, if you want to look at the latest price, you can see they kind of fluctuate here. Your total equity, how much you owe in each stock. You see I got like $300 here, $2,300 in Coke, $2,300 in BP, $1,600 in Aries Capital. Each of these pay a pretty good dividend. And if I want to look at my total return, it'll show you. You can see like I made, say, $130 here, but I've lost 60 here, 93 here, 33 here. It's just the way the stock market is right now. And then in Robinhood, you can look in the past week, I'm up $75. And you can see it's been, turbulent, going up and down because the stock market doesn't know what to do right now. If you want to look at the last month, I'm up $48. The last 3 months, I'm up $400. And in the last year, I'm up $505. I would have made more money a few months ago. I went heavy into a stock, and it really took off. And I used that money to pay off my car, so I don't have a car payment. Or else these numbers would actually be much higher, like another $400 or $500, because they kept going up even after I sold the stock. But you can see I'm still up 5% and made my first contribution. Looks like January 27th. So I'm doing pretty good there. And see, this number doesn't factor in dividend payments. I've gotten paid, I think, like $50, $60 this year in dividends, and I do have more on the way. So here's the website I use is called the Dividend Tracker. I just started using this yesterday, so it's not like something I've been using for a long time. I am using the free version because I don't want to pay the $100. So what I have available to me is pretty limited, but I do like it so far. If I come up here to my portfolio, you can see it gives me my average dividend yield, the yield on cost, how much income I'm going to be making in May, and my annual income. So this isn't 100% accurate on this page for some reason, because BP stock is actually a higher annual income than that. It's about $100 a year I'll be getting from that, and I'll show you on the other page. So this probably isn't 100% accurate. I haven't gone through none of the math, and this isn't accurate. But my payout calendar, this breaks down how much you're looking to get paid. So say I left everything alone, I would be due to make these incomes. So in May, $6.03, no big deal. Next month, I'm due to make $95.53 because, as you can see, BP right here is actually $24.92. And, most stocks paying quarterly. I do own two that pay monthly, but most, as you can see, pay every 3 months. So I'll be due like $89 here, $105 in December, and $95.53 in March next year. So I'm due, say, about over $300 to $400 the rest of this year if I was to buy nothing else. So I'll do probably say $500 or $600 in dividend payments in 2022, and this is my first year, as you saw, buying stocks. But you can see like Coke is like $16 every couple months. MetLife is $3 because I only own 6 shares. I'm definitely going to buy more if the price keeps dropping down. Probably buy more of, I think this is Williams. Yeah, Williams Company. I'm going to buy more. And, you do want some growth in there. So I'm mainly sticking with a lot of energy and real estate because, real estate always goes up. Like Ares Capital, I think this is like a financial services. The Feds just raised their interest rates, so I do expect banks to go higher. I'm kind of guessing. And energy prices are just insane right now. So I have, British Petroleum because they were the cheapest one to get into, is why I chose them. But, I think anything energy related is going to be safe. Coke's not going anywhere. 3M's not going anywhere. They both have increased their dividend like 50 years in a row. MetLife, insurance, they're probably not going to go anywhere. So I tried to pick companies that are safe. This is a water company. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm thinking about just taking my losses and moving on because their dividend is low and whatnot. So I haven't decided if I'm going to hold this one, what I'm going to do. And Gladstone, I think it's Gladstone's what they're called. Yeah, Gladstone Capital and other financial services. I'm going to hold them even though they're down right now. I am going to hold them because I want that monthly dividend. And again, I think financial services are going to do well with interest rates going up. So that's a quick look at my $10,000 dividend and kind of what I'm thinking. Nothing that I've showed you guys today is really financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research. If you want to get into investing, make sure you're doing your own thing. Don't follow just someone on YouTube. I am completely a rookie at this, and I'm kind of learning as I go, and I'm learning on YouTube myself, watching a couple videos every day. But, make sure you do your own research. And if you are interested in buying stocks, make sure you use my Robinhood link down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.